Hey there, families! Want to save big on your grocery bills? Here are 10 budget-friendly meal prep hacks that'll keep your wallet happy and your bellies full. Number 1. Plan weekly menus. Planning your meals in advance helps create a shopping list, reducing impulse buys and minimizing food waste. Plan a week's worth of meals, jot down a list, and stick to it when shopping. Number 2. Buy in bulk. Purchasing staple items like rice and pasta in larger quantities can lead to significant cost savings. It reduces the cost per serving and minimizes the need for frequent grocery trips. Number 3. Utilize leftovers creatively. Repurpose leftovers into new meals to extend their lifespan and avoid waste. Turn last night's roasted veggies into a frittata, or use leftover chicken for a sandwich or salad. Number 4. Cook in batches. Prepare meals in larger quantities to have leftovers for future lunches or dinners. Cook a large pot of chili and portion it for multiple meals throughout the week. Number 5. Embrace meatless meals. Incorporate plant-based proteins like beans and tofu to cut down on meat expenses. Make a hearty vegetable stir-fry with tofu or a bean-based chili. Number 6. Freeze bulk purchases. Freeze items like meat or produce to prevent spoilage and take advantage of sales. Buy extra meat when it's on sale and freeze it for later use. Number 7. Shop seasonal and local. Choosing seasonal and local produce often results in lower prices and fresher ingredients. Plan meals around seasonal produce to get the best deals and quality. Number 8. DIY snacks and convenience foods. Make your own snacks and avoid the premium prices of prepackaged items. Bake your own granola bars or make popcorn instead of buying processed snacks. Number 9. Limit dining out. Cutting back on restaurant meals and takeout significantly reduces food expenses. Designate specific days for dining out to control costs. And finally, number 10. Invest in reusable containers. Durable, reusable containers for meal prepping reduce the need for disposable items. Use them to store and transport your meals, saving money and the environment. By incorporating these hacks, you can save money and enjoy delicious, homemade meals while minimizing food waste. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more tips. Thanks for watching.